Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Right now we're in our final set of the night. We had a really good run from sets 1 through 6 in Great League. Managed to get ourselves up to veteran ranking just in the nick of time before the end of before the end of the season. Then sets 7 and 8, we did Master League and Ultra League respectively. Unfortunately, those leagues weren't as kind to us, so we got 1 and 4 in both of those. Right now, we're back in Great League with a different